Why late?
Sir, I joined in the old link. Afterwards, you have been sent with a new link, sir.
Okay. Mute yourself. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
We'll be seeing set methods now. We have seen this slide, right? Last week. This was the last slide we have seen. Set methods. Yeah. What you did?
Set methods. Add. Adds an element to the set. If the element is already present, it does not add it again. Clear. Removes all the elements from the set, making it an empty set. Copy. Returns a shallow copy of the set. Difference. Returns a new set containing elements that are present in the first set but not in the second set. Difference update. Updates the set, removing elements that are present in the specified set. Discard. Remove the specified element from the set if it is present. Intersection. Returns a new set containing elements that are common to both sets.
Hmm. Next. Pradeep.
Intersections update. Updates the sets keeping only the elements and the presence in other specified set. Is disjoint. Returns true if the set have no elements in common, otherwise false. Is subset. Returns true if all the elements of the set are present in the specified set, otherwise false. Is disjoint. Returns true if the set have no elements in common, otherwise false. Sets are disjoints if they are intersections is an empty set. Is superset. Returns true if the set contains all elements of the specified set, otherwise false.
Read it little bit louder, huh? This is being recorded. Yeah. Hmm. Himanshu.
Symmetric difference returns a new set containing elements that are present in either the first set or the second set, but not in both. Each subset returns true if all elements of the set are present in the specified set, otherwise false. It checks whether every element of the set is contained in the specified set. Pop removes and returns an arbitrary element from the set. If the set is empty, it raises a key error. Remove removes the specified element from the set. If the element is not present, it raises a key error.
Hmm. Himanshu.
Symmetric difference updates the set, keeping only the elements that are present in either the first set or the second set, but not in both. Union returns a set containing all the unique elements from both sets. Updates the set by adding elements from another set of sets. If a set is provided, it adds all elements from that set to the current set. If multiple sets are provided, it adds elements from each set to the current set.
Well, this we are going to see now. I have to remember the names. Okay. Otherwise, if you are working with this VS Code, it's not a big deal. But if you are working on some other or ideally tool or you are in the interview, okay, at that time, if you forget this methods, you won't be able to work with it, right? So, I want you to remember all the methods because in on the screen, if I do like this, my set dot, I'll get everything. So no, just I have to press tab and enter whatever I want. Got it? But in another way, when I am not getting this recommendation, Then if I scroll on this add, I'm getting add an element to a set. This has no effect if the element is already present. Understood? So all these things we are understanding quite well. Just I have to know what method it is there. Okay. If I don't know also, if I just put variable name dot, so I'm getting all the list. Yes. So for learning purpose, this is very good. Getting it? But for using it by your brain, you have to have it in your memory. Clear? So methods. Tomorrow I will ask you all the list methods and all. Okay. Hello. Okay. Okay. क्लास में होगी ऊपर. हाँ. Okay. Every day I have the habit to call my father. Morning he was not available. So add similar to append, but what is the property of set, Himanshu? What is the property of set? What is a set? How it is different from list?
These and elements.
This is the main point.
Duplicates will not be there.
Yeah. The main point, if you say only one, that is fine. Because see, list is in square bracket, set is in curly bracket. All these are only the how it looks like. Yes. But what is the property? Yes. Property is when I put some numbers inside the list and if I append a new number, it will take it because it doesn't see whether it is a duplicate or something. Keeps on adding element list. So whatever you add, I will append it and I will print as it is. But set is not like that. Set will say, see, you can add, but if I already have that number, I won't be able to take it, or I will not print it in the output. Okay, because I will be only printing the unique elements. Clear, everybody? So this is what the see when I scroll it here, it is telling me add an element to a set. The set has no effect in the element is already exist. Okay, already present in the set. Now 4 is already there, right? If I say add, the output will be same. 3 elements only will be there. Yes, but if it is a list will print 4, 5, 3, 4, but set will not do like that. If I say 7, now I will get 7 in the output. Understood? See, 7 I am getting, but for 4 I won't get the 4th element. Only 3 elements will be there. Clear, everyone? Clear is always clear. Yes or no? Only remove all the elements from the set. Copy is also easy. It is copying elements of one set to another set. Yes. Difference. This is important. This you need to know properly. Now difference. This is the word. Right hand side of the difference is in the bracket set 1 and left hand side set 2. So set 2 dot. Yes. So whatever changes I will be seeing is in it. It is in.
Set 2.
See, changes will not happen in set 2, but will happen on those elements. Original set will not be changed. Okay. The elements which are present 2, 3, 4. Okay. Those elements will have the effect. When I say difference set 2, means from set 1 difference. I am telling everything about it. Set 2 difference set 1, right? So from set 2 difference set 1 means set 2 minus set 1. So now in set 2, 2, 3, 4 are there. And in set 1, 1, 2, 3. So the common are 2, 3. Yes. So difference means minus. So common is removed. Yes. From the set 2, common elements are removed. Remaining is 4. But the set 2 is not changed. Set 2 is as it is. Got it? Only using those elements I perform the difference and the output is 4. Understood? Using those elements from the set 2, I perform this difference and the output is 4. But the original set is not disturbed.
So it will use it.
We will get a new set. New set in the sense if I store it in the result variable, I will get it. Otherwise, if I just put this thing, this much part in the print, I will get the output. It won't be stored anywhere because directly I am printing that line. It won't be stored anywhere, right? Correct.
So you can do similarly set 1 dot different
Huh.
set 2 or
Set 1 dot different
so
different
one will
set
be
2.
the answer.
Huh?
One will be the output.
One will be the output. Want to check? So 1, right? And let me print here set 1. Result is set 1 and in the set 1 elements are as it is. Original variable is not changed. Okay. Are you understanding that? Someone put the message, I guess. I got it all. Pop up. Fine. Are you understand with this difference? Now difference update is different from different. See here, difference update. Both operations are same. Okay, but here the set 1 will be changed. Whatever I am doing, it will get updated in the set 1. Earlier I told you that set 1 is not affected, right? It is only because of difference. When I say difference update, do the difference and do the update in the set 1. Yes. So what are the elements in the set 1? 1, 2, 3. I am printing it here just for showing you. No need to print it. That is a common understanding. Just because we are learning, that's why I am printing. Okay. So comma line 35 here, comma line 38. See, before doing anything, the original set 1 is as it is. Yes. When I do set 1 dot difference update, you know the output, right? 1 will be there. Yes or no? But now this 1 is updated in the set 1. Clear everyone? Because of this difference update method. See, when I scroll on this, remove all the element of another set from this set. See here. In set 2, what are there? 2, 3, right? So remove all the elements from other set from this set. Got it? But they are trying to say common elements are removed. Okay. But on what I am performing? Set 1 dot. Yes, I am performing on set 2. If I do set 2 dot, set 2 will get affected. This is just an explanation of how set will give me the output and why don't we do this indexing on the set. Because while writing a set, I have this many elements, right? Yes or no? If I say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but set is looking at 11 and 1 only. Set is understanding there are only 2 elements, right? Got it? So that's why we cannot perform indexing on this set, because whatever number of elements I am giving in the set, it is only taking the unique ones. So no. Discard. Set equal to this elements. If I say discard 100, 100 will be removed. Yes, I have to mention. In other, I will give the index, right? Remove this index. So that index number will be removed. But here, I won't be able to give the index. I will give the element what I want to remove. Okay, if you understand this element is present, or wherever it would be. 100 is present at the beginning, at the end, at the between, anywhere. You just find the 100 and remove. So discard. Clear? Intersection. See, just observe it. It's similar to difference. Difference, the common they were removed. Here they are giving me the common things in the intersection. Yes. So if I say set one dot intersection set two, is giving me what is the common? 2, 3 is the common. Yes. So if I say print intersection set, so it will give me 2 comma 3. That is commented. But if I print set 1 or if I print set 2, the original sets are as it is. No one is changed. Got it? Need to run this code? No, right? Easy it is. They're just seeing the methods. But if I do the intersection update, then intersection update will do update in the set 1. When I do set 1 dot intersection update set 2, so in set 1, 2 comma 3 will get updated. So before update, set 1 is as it is original one. But if I do update, intersection update, so set 1 value will be 2 comma 3. Clear? Is disjoint. Disjoint means what? Pradeep? Disjoint. It means there is no common element in both. Joint means it has some common element. Okay. Disjoint means no common elements are there. Got it? So here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is there any common element? Output is true. If I write here 3, now false. Clear? So got it? What is the meaning of disjoint? Is subset. Do you know what is subset? Himanshu?
Concept in a
Subset means child. What is the bigger one here? Let us suppose this is the father and this is the child. So set 1 is subset of set 2? Yes. Got it? All the elements of set 1 should be inside set 2 for telling that it is the subset of that.
But if it is like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
That
Can we
time,
say set 1 is subset of set 2?
see here. It's true. Still. Okay. Elements should be common. Now, if I write opposite also, that is will also be true. Whereas set 2 dot set 1. Now see, true. Because both are having equal elements. Yes. As soon as any one element got increased, so one will be true, another will be false. Got it? When there will be equal elements in both, each other will be subset of each other. But as soon as any one is having a more element, yes, another one is less, and all those elements are present in that bigger one, So the bigger one is the parent, smaller one is the child. Opposite is not true. Yes. But here when both are having same elements, both are true. Got it? See, these are the easy. Set 1 greater than set 2. Set 2 greater than set 1. It's checking more elements, less elements. Now superset. Superset is like earlier we were checking who is the child. Right now we are checking who is the father. Yes. Set 1 is superset. So set 1 is superset, more elements. Set 2 is subset, less elements. Got it? So set 1 is superset. So true. Clear?
Here is also the same, like if the elements are same, then both are the superset also.
Yeah. Pop. If I say pop, so as this set are unordered, right? Unordered. So no. When I say pop, any element can get outside. Okay, I cannot say the last element because I don't know what is the last element. What I entered in this, there is 2 is in the last. But what is the output? In that something else will be the output, right? Someone else will be at the last. Here 3 is there at the last. And when I perform pop, 1 is getting removed. So here it is not fixed what element will remove, but one element will 100% get removed. Understood? So that is the pop.
So when
For
you
the set.
mention to bottom pop, you have to mention the particular thing that you need to remove from the set.
Sorry.
For popping, if you don't bracket any elements to remove,
Huh.
effectively to remove these other elements.
Okay.
Just because if the
See, for that purpose, remove is present. When I say remove 2, 2 will get removed. Yes?
then where the pop will get used, like how you can use it in a
It is just a thing when my memory is getting full. Okay. So I will say remove some elements. That's it. See everything you will be seeing 1 or 2 modules, math module I'm going to show you today or tomorrow. We will never use those functions. They are present. Okay. Knowing them till the interview is right now. What I am working is not using all these things. Okay. But for checking our logic, for knowing the things, yes, for asking the questions, these things we are learning. In the company, things are different. Got it? Yeah. So now remove. When I saying remove 2, it is getting removed that particular element. Symmetric difference. Symmetric difference is important now. See here. Set 1 dot symmetric difference set 2. Okay. Earlier we have seen only difference. This is symmetric difference. So it is removing the column common from both and giving me the remaining elements from the both. Okay. So this is the symmetric difference. Getting it? So it is not changing anyone. Original elements are still as it is. Set to see set 2 and set 1 are still as it is, no any change.
Put the stored in a symmetric difference.
These are stored in a variable just to use it for future. If I don't want to use it for future, I just want to see it right now, I can copy this. Yes, I can just print it here. So this is not getting stored anywhere, it is just giving me the output for that particular instance. Okay. So anyway, you can do it. Now symmetric difference update. So symmetric difference update, what it is doing? It is doing the symmetric difference, and on what I have performed this set 2, right? Set 2 dot symmetric difference update set 1. So set 2 will get changed. See, in the previous class I have performed it on set 1. That's why I wrote here. Okay. The set 2 will get changed. Understood? Any doubt? If I write this set 1 symmetric difference update, so set 1 will get changed. Symmetric difference is clear. Now union will combine both the set elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Common element will not be repeated again. Update, normal update. Okay, this updating set in the set 1 elements of set 2. The working similar to what? Union.
Previous one.
Union. Yes.
But Indian is taking a new set. But here the update is happening in the set that we have followed.
Very good. So wherever you see update, will change the original one. Okay, and other all without the update word will not do any difference to the original set. Got it? Now I want you to try this code fast. Type it and explain me what this code is doing. Give me the question for this code. We have the answer, right? Type this and give me the question for this code. Means I will say you the question and you will write the answer, right? And now you are seeing the answer. So tell me the question for this.
200 with an power of square.
I will say a question like this. In my question only answer will be there. Create a list of elements. Okay, 1 to 100. Means create a list of squares of element 1 to 100. Okay. This will be the question. Hmm?
Inside a list. So it's been appended inside a list.
What is the use of append? Yeah. So I am just doing this square of I and appending into the list. So in this way, at last I will be get what? Squares of elements 1 to 100. Just make it 11 so that you will get a limited output. So Himanshu, do you also go to gym?
Yeah, actually I do.
You do continuously.
Continuously like between 4 is the average kind of thing. Like sometimes 3, sometimes 5. On and off kind of. Last week, Tuesday actually I like something happened with my students. The last 4 days I have not.
Okay. So whole week you will not be going. 3 days or 4 days you will go.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, go ahead. Done. Type it. So now this is a normal way we'll write it, right? So I'm using this method append and all. So it is normally requiring me 4 lines. Yes, but the list comprehension is a different way. Himanshu, read it.
List comprehension. List comprehension is a concise and elegant way of creating list in Python. It allows you to create a new list by applying an expression to each item in an iterable such as list couple of lines and optionally filtering the items based on a condition. New list expression for item in iterable if condition squares for x in state in squares.
Let us now try to understand. So this you understood, right? This program using the for loop, you are appending it. This append function is running for 10 times. Yes or no? This you understood. We'll try to understand now list comprehension. So I have given the expression first. Yes, I square. Okay, for I in range 1 to 101. So this many times this for loop will run inside the list itself and all the elements will keep on adding. This is the syntax. Okay, so in one line I'm doing it. Yes or no? Let's go for it. No need to use the function, append function and all. Yes, directly I'm getting thing. Getting it? Any doubt? Karthik, are you doing it? Karthik, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you following me?
So, yes, sir.
Okay. Now see this and explain me what code it is.
Sir, it's a square number of the square number we have to do from 1 till 100, sir. Or 1
What
to
will be the output of this? Let us say I'm telling it till 1 to 11. Tell me the output orally, fast in 5 seconds.
149. It's a square number, sir. From 1 to 10.
Give me the output.
1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100.
Karthik, you are not focused, Karthik.
Mod is not equal to
One more chance I'm
all
telling.
the remainder will be there. Odd numbers. Odd numbers.
Huh? Karthik, one more chance I'm giving you. Are you typing it, Karthik?
I'm typing, sir.
No. You don't have to type it. See it and answer. Tell me what is this condition? Karthik,
Sir, yes, sir.
so it will give the output where x mod 2 not equal to 0. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay.
for every odd number, it will give me the square. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square. So it's that simple, Karthik. Just go
Okay,
for
sir.
it. Type it.
Okay, sir.
Pradeep, you type this.
So what this is what that we are doing inside a list
Least comprehension.
list comprehension.
We are compressing it, right? We are not writing much lines. Okay. So already Python giving us lot of benefits, right? We are already writing less lines as compared to other program, and compared to itself Python. Yes, list comprehension is taking lesser lines. Getting it? Okay. See here we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5 lines. Okay. Here I am doing it in one line. Try this too. Type it. Even numbers, odd numbers. Don't give this much big names, okay? Yeah, give smaller names, single variable names, and go for it. Got it? Then, Karthik,
So, yes, sir, doing, sir.
do it fast. Others go for the next. This.
why it is written like doctor? Why you have printed it in doctor?
Just if you want, in case list comprehension is there. Okay, I just converting, doing typecasting. Okay.
So you can include that also.
Uh,
But just to show the typecasting or
uh. This is the same. Karthik, which one is going on? Karthik? Am I audible? Karthik is not replying.
So you're audible, sir.
So which one is going on, Karthik? Okay, fine, I'm scrolling down. Okay. Similar examples.
Sir, but the screen is not visible.
How? Why is screen not visible? Is it? Screen is not visible for you.
Yes, sir. It's not visible for me.
Hey, you are not in the proper connection. In the class, Pradeep and Himanshu both are able to see the screen. Karthik, if this is the problem, you can leave right now
Okay,
and
sir.
see the recording
Okay,
or
sir.
do something else.
you can give them.
You try to rejoin or else.
Okay, sir. I try to reconnect. Once I got the call. Okay, sir.
So we know how to you take the input, right? Int input, enter a number. At this time, we are able to take only one input at a time. Son, this is set comprehension, okay? Curly braces, set comprehension. Same example. Yes or no? Now, we have used this list split. Split method, what it will do? Himanshu, I asked this same question previous week. I remember that I asked you. So you should also remember that what is the use of this split. I told you that join will take the list and give the string. Yes. And split will take the string and give the. See, a whole sentence I told you now, still not unable to say. Join is taking the list, joining the elements on the basis of that connector. Yes. And giving me the string in the output. Now this split is taking the string, right? Yes or no? It will give the list. Yes or no? So when I say split, it is giving me the list. Yes, list of all the strings, small strings. Getting it or not? It is splitting on the spaces. Okay. I am not passing anything, it will try to identify itself by itself. Okay. Now it is splitting. Yes, now I have list of all the small strings. But these are the inside string, what are the numbers are there, right? So uh, there will be some arithmetic use of it. Using string, I cannot do that arithmetic operation. So I have to convert them into integer. Yes or no? So I can take a for loop and pass all these list elements and make it to the integer form. Yes or no? So right now we are learning this because I told you that using input, I can take only one integer at a time. Yes? As I want multiple inputs. So what I will do, first I told you this split what it is doing, right? Taking the string and multiple giving the list of those multiple elements inside the string. Now, actual whole combination we'll see. Combination of input and split. So, what I'm doing here in the list comprehension, inside the list comprehension, I am writing int x for x in input, enter a number. Int input, enter a number, what will take by default? Yes, input enter a number will take string. Yes, so that string is splitting it. That string is getting split. See, string dot split. So here also string dot split, right? So this is now a list of strings. So this one by one element going into int x. So that string is getting converted into integer. Understanding what is happening at the back end? Yes, in one line everything is happening. Otherwise, first I will convert this, then I will write a for loop. Yes, for converting it into the integer. Then I will again store and append it into the list. Yes or no? So instead of doing all these things in one line, I'm doing everything. For x in input, yes, this input will take the string. That string dot split. So list of strings will be there here at this place. So for x in this list of strings, one by one all strings will go in the x. So int x. So all will get stored in this list in the integer format. So when I print this, so previously for normally it got print like this, right? All these strings. But now it will ask for me the input. I will give the multiple inputs, 11 space 12 space 13. Okay, whatever it is. Enter. So see, I got the list of numbers. Any doubt? Just try this. Is it done? Understanding? Able to give the multiple input right now? Yes or no? If you are done with this, now try this. Hmm. If this option would not be there, then what would we have done? For I in range 5, if I want 5 inputs, I'll take L dot append int input enter number. 5 times it will ask me a number. 5 times I will give the input. Then I'll be able to see the output. Then this one. Try this dictionary comprehension. Thangalan movie is dubbed in Hindi also, right? Not dubbed. You don't know. Thangalan. It's a new movie. Vikram. Hmm. Thangalan. Try to see this trailer. It's a unique one. Done with this dictionary comprehension.
Popular.
That is Kangavu. Kangavu, what it is? Kangua. Kangua. Okay. Done with this dictionary comprehension. You're understanding what is happening. If you remove this part, let us suppose either this or this, okay, it will be a set comprehension. Sir, no? Just because of this, both the things which I am getting, and out from outside curly brackets are there, it is becoming dictionary comprehension. Try this, see what it is doing, and explain me the code. Done. Explain, Pradeep, what it is doing.
Q is equal to men bracket is think well
Himanshu, can you?
Create a dictionary out of the set.
Set?
Sorry, list.
Yeah, two lists we have. One we are taking it as a key, another we are taking it as a value. Yes?
why we are using men here, so men
Huh?
Okay, length for the
Range.
indexing.
Range, see, in range I have kept Q.
that L is being
No, length is we are using because we need to count the like numbers.
Yeah.
How many numbers are there
Yeah.
in the
single
list?
Yes, because both the numbers of elements, both are they are equal. Yes?
If that is not equal, then what will like so there will be a error.
So, no, error will not be there. For example, if any one element is more, okay, so I have to take the length of the lesser one. So till that element, both will be compared. So one extra element will be left out.
Okay,
Will not
will
use
not
that.
be yet printed.
That will not be used. For try this in the L, do what we get, add one more E and take the length of D. Okay, take the length of D and put that in the range. So you will not get E in the output. It will be missed out, or it will be not there. But when you add one more element in the L and you take the length of L, that time it will say we are not having the element, one more element in D, so that will give the error.
This was list index out of range.
Yeah, it will show list index out of range. But the opposite of that will work. This one,
This object cannot be interpreted as an integer.
try the next one. What happened?
No, I changed the length from L to D.
Hmm.
Okay, and also in range I updated as D.
Why D?
Huh?
You don't have to put D in the range. You have to check Q equal to length of D. You do that and pass D. Pass Q. Okay. Because if you are passing length in the range, it is telling that you cannot take the range. You cannot take the list in the range. Go for the next. Global variable, local variable, we have seen, right? Yes. This is what we are doing without any list comprehension or dictionary comprehension. Understanding? Simple way. Can I explain? See here now. Inside this Z square bracket, what is there? L of I. Okay, first one is A. So Z of A. Okay, Z is the dictionary. Inside that A is the key. Okay, for the A key equal to D of I. A will be the key. 1 will be the value. Second time B. B is going inside this. So Z of B means Z of B means B is the key. I'm creating a key also, right? Z of B if I write. So B is acting like a key here now. Equal to D of I. So what will be the thing? 2. D of I for the second thing is 2. For the third, C 3. So here it will be C and here 3. So Z of C equal to 3. Understood? If I print something, Z of C giving the value. Understood? So this is what is coming here one by one. I'm assigning the value first. Then afterward, I'm trying to fetch the value. Got it? If I'm not giving anything, it will print me whole dictionary. Clear? Any doubt? Pradeep? Try this. Empty dictionary. So homework number till where I have shared?
3 and 2, sir. 1 to 3.
23. After this, to try this, okay, we'll have a 5 minutes break now. Have a 5 minutes break. Okay, we are starting. Hope you are done with your break. Still your chance, 1 minute. We'll see now slicing. Okay. Screen is visible. Hmm. Slicing, we have a slice method here. Okay. The first example, and I'm saying slice 3. Okay. Here I have given the indexing. This is the positive indexing starting from 0. This is the negative indexing starting from -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 till minus. I'm not given minus sign because that will be too long. It will not match with the letters in the string. Okay, that's why I have not given the minus sign. You have to understand it. We are going it in opposite directions or negative, proper directions or positive. Okay, understanding. So when I'm saying 3, so it is what? 0 to 3. Yes or no? And 0 to 3 means what? 0, 1, 2. 3 will be skipped. So what is 0, 1, 2 here? ABC. When I say slice, so first of all I am writing this slice 3. Again, this S1 I am passing here in the my string. So indirectly I am passing what? Slice 3 in the my string. Yes or no? I can directly also write this inside this square bracket slice 3. I can write it here itself. Okay. So what will be the output for this? ABC. Yes or no? Huh?
Okay, out of a particular string, whatever we want to like
What is mean by slice?
output.
If I have an apple, if I slice it, yes, whole apple it is there. Okay, I want a particular size of slice on that. Okay, as 3 are here, right? I will make it half. Okay, half I will keep. Another half I will do more 2 pieces. I will give you half. Yes or no? In this way, my choice. Otherwise, I would have taken a small part, and remaining part I will be doing it in 2 pieces. So it's my choice what I want to slice it into and distribute. Understood? So string slicing, we are cutting the string it into many parts. Understood? First one.
Even slice to takes a range slicing. So
What?
even slice that also takes a range.
Yeah, it is taking the index. Okay. So what it is taking now? -10, comma -7. -10 is what? This till -7. So -7 will skip. Yes. So output will be again ABC. Yes or no? If I run this, ABC I'm getting. So either if I pass a negative index -10 to -7, or if I pass 3, which means indirectly 0, comma 3. Yes or no? So both the ranges, both the index giving me the same output.
But how we like indexing? Okay, if minus is there, like within slice, if you are operating like -10 or -7, so it will be calculated from the right hand side and automatically you don't need to do that. Whenever we are giving in positive number, it will start from the.
Yes. So negative is giving me direction change, right? So on a number line, positive goes on right and negative goes on left. Yes or no? So if number is coming from left side, It is a negative one. Number is going from right side. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, this is going positive side. This is going negative side. So here I am giving -10 to -7. The output is ABC. Is it clear? So slice 1, 5, 2. 1, 5, 2. So what is the one? B till 5. 2 is the step size. Yes or no? So it will jump from B to D. D to F. Is it possible or not? Range is what? 1 to 5?
1 to 5.
Range 1 to 5. Yes or no? 1 to 5.
Okay.
Now 2 is the step size.
Okay. So
From B to D, it will jump. From D to,
F,
but F is skipped.
skip.
Yes. So BD will be the output. Yes or no? Range is 1 to 5. F is skipped. So there is no chance to jump once again. Yes or no? So output will be BD. Getting it, guys? Check for this. What will be the output? -1, -8, -2. -1, -8, -2. So the range is still J to C. C will be skipped. Yes or no? So and -2 is the jump size. So J H J H F D. Is it correct? J H F D. Clear?
But we're like doing minus why it is not starting from 0, why it is starting from 1.
Because starting index is starting from 0, right? Yes. So now 0 is used. Getting it? For this 1, 6, -2. Okay. So my range is 1, 6. Yes. From 1, I want to go on 2, then I want to go on 3, then I want to go on 4. In this way, I want to reach 6. But my step size is -2. So when I do 1, -2, my output is coming -1. So my range is positive, my step size is negative. It is taking me to another range, which is out of my range. Yes or no? So this is not possible. My starting index is smaller, my ending index is bigger. So I want to go to smaller to bigger. So I want to add something in the smaller one so that it will reach at the bigger one. Yes or no? But here step size is -2. It is in negative. It is removing from the smaller. So getting more smaller. Yes, when I want to reach a bigger point, if I doing a smaller negations, so I am going in the smaller side, negative side. Yes or no? So this is not a proper combination. Yes, two positive direction I want to go and I am doing this -2. It is similar to I want to become healthy but I am eating junk food. Yes, this is what it is. Now another is this combination. See here, -2, -7. Yes. So -2 is a smaller number. -7 is greater to -2 or smaller to.
Smaller to minus.
Yes. So minus 7 is smaller to minus. So I'm going from a bigger number to a smaller number. Yes. But here I'm giving a positive step size. So minus 2 plus 2, what it is? 0. Yes, sir. I want to go minus 2 to minus 7. But I'm giving some step size which is taking me to some another side, opposite side of this range. So this is also not possible. Try this. Minus 8 comma 6. Minus 8. It is here. Yes. So minus 8 comma 6. 6 is here. So it means in what direction I have to go? Right direction, which is a positive direction. For a smaller number to greater number I am going. Yes or no? So my step size is, if I am not giving by default, is 1. Yes or no? So C, what it will print? C, D, E, F. Yes or no? C, D, E, F. Any doubt? This protein shake will do some headache or something. Is it? Not eating anything. It is giving me kind of.
No, you should eat.
Huh?
Protein itself is like supplement. You should not rely on that.
Well,
You can take protein rationally.
Hmm.
It's nothing. It's just a quick supplement that you need. Like like 30 gram protein,
Hmm.
you need 100 gram of chicken, right?
Hmm.
It is also given with chemicals. That's it. Nothing else.
Hmm.
25 grams or 24 grams of protein in one soup.
Hmm.
So it is like you can see that that is not compulsory.
Okay, fine. Very good. I'll discuss it later. It's being recorded. Because every day at this time, I'm getting some headache. If I chew this, what do you call it? So
First
then,
thing you should not take this first meal of the day. That's not good.
I was told to take it. That's why I'm taking.
They are doing business. That's the business.
Hmm.
That's the actual revenue they will get.
Let us try sometime. Okay, you got this? Now, seven comma minus 8 comma 1. Positive 7 comma minus 8. Which direction I am going? Negative direction. Yes. So I am going in the negative direction. So what I want? Negative step size. Yes or no? See here. Positive 1 it is given. So it is telling requires a negative step size. Getting it? This, can you close this window? Voice is coming from outside. No. Glass. Ah. Right. Closing the curtain. How can the voice stop? Let the curtain be open. Enough. Thank you very much. Slice 7 comma minus 8 comma minus 1. What will be the output? 7 comma minus 8. So H G F E D. Is it? Just check it. Let me know what will be the output. I don't have to type it. To type it and see output,
No.
I can also run it, right?
No, what is the next slicing?
Let me tell you. 7 comma minus 8 comma minus 1. So this is the selected range. 7, this is the positive going till the minus 8. Okay. So it's reducing, right? So when it is reducing, the 7 number is getting reduced. Yes. going in the negative direction. So I want a negative step size. So I have given -1. So H, G, F, E, D, H, G, F, E, D. Clear? Now, tell me this 3 comma -3. 3. This is the positive 3 and this is the -3. What I want the step size? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. So nothing is given means positive 1. Yes or no? So what will be the output? D, E, F, G. Okay, getting?
So wherever we are like going as per the we need the
I have to understand whether in this case what I want according to my range. The range is going in negative direction. So I want negative step size. Now see 6 comma -7. 6. This is positive and this is negative. Okay. So 6 comma -7. I'm going in the negative direction. So what I want? Step size negative. So here step size is given -2. So what will be the output?
GE.
GE. Yes. Easy, right? So -1 whole will come. Yes. It is just the -1 difference. Okay. Then this. Slice 7 comma 2. 7 comma 2. What direction I am going? 7. Negative direction I am going. So -2. Negative direction. Negative step size is given. H. HF 50. Correct. This -8. Only 3 was given, right? Only 3 was given. So starting point taken as 0. Yes. So here only 8 is given, -8. So you can take starting point as -10, 10 or 0. One and the same thing. Yes or no? 0 to -8 I am going. All these are testing, okay? Be aware. Fine.
So why it is going from -10 to -8?
See,
Why not from -1 to -6?
because see here.
No, in positive when it is given 3. Okay. So we are going right hand side. So we are starting from 0 to 3. When
It is the rule. Okay, this is the rule. Every time I am only passing one thing. Okay, when I am only passing one thing, I have to take from the right side till that thing. Okay, it's the rule.
That's how I thought. Like if it is the positive number, it is going the right hand side. So if it is the negative number, why it is not starting from 0 or -1, going in the left hand?
It is going from -10 to -1. Okay, here if I am writing 3, it is going from 0 to 3. Okay, here if I am writing -8, it's going from -10, -9, -. Okay, going in the same direction every time. Okay, it's not because of positive or negative. It's just because of that. If I am passing only one, then by default condition is set, so that will be followed. So AB. If I write here -7, then ABC will come. Got it? Any doubt? So when you are running this, you can just uncomment all this and run it in one time. Okay. Now another way we are going to see. Okay, another way. Directly writing this, not using the slice method. Okay, we are just doing passing the starting range, ending range, and step size directly in this. Okay, these are the two ways. Either you use slice keyword, or other you do in this way. Okay, so just tell me what will be the first one.
ABC.
ABC, right?
Yeah.
Same.
So this whatever it is called, whatever it is called,
Colon.
colon. So that is the symbol of slicing.
Yeah. So if I'm not passing any number means 0. Starting will be 0. After colon, I'm writing 3. Yes. So 0 to 3. If before colon, I would have write 3. Okay. So 3 colon till the end it will go. Okay. 3 colon till the end. If I'm not passing anything. Understood? So ABC. Now this. Tell me the output. 1, 5, 2.
B, B, B,
VD. Okay. Then here -1, -8, -2.
J, H, F, B, B.
Yes. -8. 2 minus. No, not minus. +6. Yes. Going in the positive direction. Positive step size is there. Not mentioning means positive. Very good. I got expert in slicing. 7 -8 -1. 7 to -8. Going in the negative direction. So negative. Yes, -1. HG, HGF, ED. Got it? Here 3 plus 3 to -3. DE. Very good. Next. +6 -7. Step size -2.
G,
Very good. This is similar, right? This 7
H, F, B, B.
HFT. This
Minus 10 to -1.
or 0 to -8 or -10 to -8. All things will be the output. Okay. See, every time I'm going from this side only, right? So I'm writing -7. So my range will be this ABC. Or I can write 0 to -8, or I can tell -10 to -8. Anyway, is same, right? ABC. Because -7 is skipped. Yes or no? Or let us say, for proper understanding, okay, -10 to -7. Range. This is our range. Output will be till -8 only, because -7 will be skipped. This is 100% clear to you all. So when I'm saying colon, whole string from starting to ending, not given the starting point, not given the ending point. Yes, from 4 to end. Yes, e.g. when I'm passing this,
minus 10 to
so
minus 10 to
minus 10 to minus 1. So minus 1 will be skipped. Yes or no? So J will not be there in this case in the output. J is not there in the output. Yes or no? Now see this one. Huh? This one.
complete string minus 1.
Whole string. And the minus 1. Step size.
So it will be the
Complete string. But in the reverse order. Understood? Reverse step size is there, right? G I H G F E B C B
okay, there was a question like how to
A. Reverse the string.
reverse string.
So this is the answer to that. So simply you can do it, right? So understood this slicing 100%. I want you to go through this once again at home. Okay? Yes. Tomorrow at least. Today you remember all the items, all the things. Otherwise, change the string to something else. A B C D is there, right? So change it to some name of the same length. Right here, 10 characters are there, right? So choose a name of 10 character and then go for the same questions. Then you will get the different output, right? Himanshu is having 10 characters. Add JI, Himanshu G. So it will be a 10 characters. Okay. So in this way we have completed our string slicing. After this module and all are there. So this is a fresh topic. Okay. We'll go for this tomorrow. Got it? Tomorrow we'll complete this and most probably tomorrow we'll start NumPy. Okay. Tomorrow we'll start NumPy. Getting it? And most probably tomorrow itself we'll be ending it. Okay. Or next Saturday we'll be ending it. Anything can happen. So next Saturday after ending NumPy we'll start Pandas. Here. So in next 2 weeks most probably the course will be over. Coming 4 to 5 classes. Okay. 2 more Saturday, Sunday, and 1 Saturday, or most probably more 3 weeks. Yeah. So be ready for that. As soon as if I complete the syllabus on Saturday, Sunday will be our interview. Okay. If I complete the syllabus on Sunday, Monday will be our interview. Those who are unable to come, they can go for next Saturday of that. Clear? Any doubt? So tomorrow
So what will be the projects and all
we'll discuss. Relax.
No, that is what how that works. The project maybe I don't know how to work on the project or something like that.
Everything will be given to you. You'll have the project folder is there. We're going to go for the project. Okay. On NumPy it is. And one more thing, there is one book on small projects. I'll be sharing you that book. That book is kind of a trainer for you for doing. You can choose any project from that and you can perform it. And debugging you all know, right? So in that way, that book contains more of 80 projects. So you can do any number of projects from that small one, and a proper on NumPy or any other one more or two. I'm going to create the projects that also I'll be sharing it. Getting it? So everything will be given to you. Right now, I want you to focus on the content, learning. Okay. If you are unable to learn this properly right now, so how will you perform it? Right now, you are in the case just after what we can say doing this course. If you are writing the code, that is a big thing. Understood? If I give you code in the interviews for the pattern and all, if you do that much for right now, that is a big thing for me. Project anyhow, you have to follow the instructions and do it. And the main thing is you have to, after doing that, you will have that file with you. Again and again, you have to revise this step after this step we are doing, after this step this we are doing, and this same things you will be able to explain in the interview, a mock interview, main interview. Sorry, explaining that properly, you don't have to write that because there are 100 lines of code. Okay, so no one can write it in one go in the interview itself. So if you are explaining that, that is enough. So project is a thing you will not do by yourself, not in the, not before getting placed. After getting placed also, you have a team to work with it. Okay, you will only understand what the things are going on, how we are doing it, what my part is there inside it. So that is a project. Clear? So try to be relaxed about it. You more focused on learning. Clear, everyone? Any doubt? Thank you all.